Okay, guys, here's what I got. You're fixing to see some footage of a highly decorated hero, Albuquerque, New Mexico police officer being arrested. You're like, what? Yeah. Let's go look at it.
Just the two? Yes, no, maybe.
Let's take both. Okay, I'll see.
Do you have any other weapons on you?
No, that's it. No backpack guns, no ankles. Nope. Nothing in your vest. Nope.
These, some of these guys that are here in the background that you're seeing are his union representatives. There to make sure he gets his exceptional special treatment. I like this. Watch this cop when he turns around, the big old grin on his face. Look at that. He enjoys his job, huh? Let's move down here a little bit further. Look, they're cutting his uniform off of him, so they can take him to jail, and then his union rep will give him a jacket to put on to cover up, you know, try to conceal who he is and whatnot. All right, the link to this video is in the description of this video. And I know what you guys are thinking. You're like, hey, they did the right thing. Well, here, let me kill that video real quick. Here is the issue with that. This officer has been abusing his domestic partner for quite some time. It's well known within the department, other officers. She's complained before and nothing was ever done. The reason something was done this time is because he almost beat her to death. That's what it takes. He almost beat her to death. Guys, remember, 43%, and this number is way underreported. 43% of spouses and domestic partners of police officers report physical and sexual abuse by their police officer spouses. And that number is underreported. And now you're thinking, oh, his career is over. He's done. Nope. He'll become a gypsy cop if Albuquerque even lets him go. I mean, it's a union department. He does not. See, if you get convicted of domestic violence, you lose your gun rights. A regular citizen convicted of domestic violence will lose their gun rights. There is an exemption in the law, thank you, Bill Clinton, for police officers. Thank you, Fraternal Order of Police, police unions, exemption. So police officers, they don't lose their gun rights and they can continue to be police officers. So I hope you guys are as disgusted as I am, and also hope you have a good day. I'm going to go back and lay on the beach and enjoy my afternoon. Y'all be safe.